Hi, I'm Beth. I'm a year 3 student at the NCA. I'm coming to the end of my training now. It's been 3 years. We did a lecture the other day on the Doctor-Town Balance method, and it's completely changed my world, as dramatic as that may sound. We had the lecture here in the college with Annie and Alex, and me and all my cohort were just amazed by it. It can clear migraines and also pain conditions instantly. So I can't wait to learn more about it because they just touched up on it. So there's going to be more CPD here at the college, which I will be signing up for. And it was just an extremely amazing experience. We had 2 examples of the cohort had their pain relief like that, and it was just amazing to see. I've got a lot more to learn, and I can't wait to come back to the college again, even though I'm finished, and learn more about this and all the other things they have to offer.